Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. On my right hand is the new products we're going to demonstration for you. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this rack, it is about like a 34 and 3/4 inches wide. And the depth is about like a 17 inches. And the overall height is about like a 54.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit is coming with a total 5 layers, and the top layer dimensions, it is about like a 13 inches deep, 3.5 inches tall, and 34 and 3/4 inches wide. From the second layer to the bottom, they come with the same sizes. It is about like a 16 inches deep, 11 inches tall, and 34.5 inches wide. So looking at the bottom, they come with the 4 wheels. You can simply to move it. If you put something on, this one easy to move. And also they do have the lockers on the wheels too. So this will be all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.